video on the way to Exotics on Broadway. Reunite with the Mirage GT, the 918, and the MC12 Corsa. Not a bad traffic jam. You heard it, guys. We got Revving, we got a billion people, we got a ton of cars. That can only mean one thing. It's Exotics on Broadway, day 6 here at Monterey Car 2023. We're almost at the end, but this event is going to be absolute mayhem, as you can already see and hear. So I guess let's just jump right into it.
Why would I wasn't recording?
Okay, start with a liquid metal silver 918. This is the paint job. It costs like 50 grand to make. This is non-stop revving. It's like 50 grand to make this because apparently the silver like sits under a bunch of magnets, and the magnets like I don't really know how to explain it. It just raises the color out of it a little better and gives it like sort of a darker tint. Y6 package 2, we haven't seen that 918 yet, so that's another new one. Got SF90 Spider, and just a lot more revving. Someone's doing a burnout down there. This SVJ. It's still revving. Oh my god, Exotics on Broadway is a damn fest. Oh, what the hell is going on over there? Oh, it's like a James Bond DD5. I think he's throwing out the smoke screen. There's the James Bond DB5. Got the smoke screen going. Oh no! Look at machine guns on the DB5 too.
Machine killers.
Okay, that's a new Senna we haven't seen before. We got a 918 back there. I think I see a Huayra Roadster. We got another burnout going on up there, probably from that same Challenger. We've got the gray 19 with the red accents. Look at that, it's got like GT3 RS striping on the side. Another Huayra Roadster. This is probably the best we're gonna get for review because there's, as I mentioned, there's like a billion people here. We do have a new Veyron we haven't seen before either. It's like satin white and black two-tone. Actually, it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, slightly, almost a full, like has a Veyron, it does have some modified wheels on it. Looks pretty good though, it's tasteful. I think it kind of suits the car. Not bad, not bad. New Huayras joined the party here at Carby. We've got the Big Bird yellow Roadster. We've got the classic, the King right there. You guys know Sparky and VTM the King on Instagram. These are their two Huayras here, the Roadster and the Coupe. And then we've got an orange Roadster down there. And I think there's like 4 more down there. I don't know. It's pretty wild here, guys. Again, crowds crazy. On the other side of the orange one, we get the matte black Roadster, which is really clean actually with those carbon accents. White interior, dark red carbon there. I think that's Macchina Volante. And then I think there's another new Huayra down there, like black and blue or red. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell in the sun. There's a lot. We got the 1 of 15 McLaren Sabre here in the current McLaren Formula 1 livery with the Paya Spark and the blue accents. Really clean, and then again all the carbon fiber around the Sabre, Bruce McLaren signature there. It's a pretty ridiculous car. Again, 1 of 15 only for the US market, 4 million US, 800 plus horsepower. I like the little coolant and oil filler cap that's got the little Sabre etched into them. Harder to get a better angle than that with all the crowds. Got the blue Safia's Centenario over there, 1 of 20. Let's see if I can get any closer. There you go, there's the front end. Alright, here's a lineup. Solus GT, Senna, P1, LaFerrari, Chiron, Pure Sport. I think there's a Chiron Super Sport behind it. Can't really tell. MC12 Corsa, another Sabre. So much stuff, guys. Unbelievable. We got a wild Shmee 150 walking towards us too. But yeah, there's the, I guess the star of the show right there, the Solus GT. Probably the craziest thing there. The Judd V10 powered McLaren. There's the MC12 Corsa that we saw before. We got another McLaren Sabre in flip paint. I did get a better look at that earlier, but that's going to be in another video where we'll get a much closer look at it. Also got the crazy Apollo IE with that like green and blue tinted carbon fiber. Got a pink Ford GT we've not seen before. The Aston Martin Valkyrie's back. The Regera Honey is over there too. That pink Ford GT is actually kind of nice. Not gonna lie. There's that Huayra Tempesta we saw back in the parking lot of the Coil yesterday. There's the green carbon fiber Huayra R that I think it was at the Coil yesterday, but it was just such a frenzy trying to film everything. You might have walked right past it. We had green carbon fiber Huayra R. Absolute weapon. That thing is so sick. And nice that there's, well, a fence around it, so not too big of a crowd. We can actually have a slightly decent look at it. 3 different Huayras on display here, but that's not the main attraction right now. I think they're going to be revving in the Huayra R, so we're going to go over there and let our ears bleed. Try and get to. Yeah, look at that. Another set of GTR. This one is modified with some crazy looking custom wheels from HRE. We've got a pretty big presence at this show. I think this one is road legal too. Apparently it's been driving around. Haven't seen it yet at Car Week, but there we go. And wow, a clear back shot of a car at Exotics on Broadway. That's a rare sight. Pink F40 on gold BBS wheels. Did see this one back at SEMA where they debuted the new wrap color from Innova's Tech, but that's pretty cool to see that again. Almost a whole calendar year later here at Exotics on Broadway. Oh, look at the puppy Ferrari Dino. Here's one we haven't seen yet around Car Week. Oh, a Noble M400, pretty sick. Lightweight British sports car, pretty much like a track weapon for the road. Kind of like a Lotus style really. You know, simplified then add lightness. As the saying goes, nice like deep purple on it too. And thankfully it's a car that's not swarmed by a bunch of people, so you can get a decent look at it. Pretty cool. You don't see too many of these around, but they're very nice. Planes on Broadway? Apparently the first flying car that will be on the market. Doesn't look like a car to me, but a lot of carbon fiber, a lot of propellers around it. There's some wheels on it, so I guess it could technically be classified as a car driving on the road, and I guess you could technically fly it. I don't really know if this is gonna pass safety inspections and be road approved, but I guess that's their intentions. The eggplant purple Carrera GT, their orange Carrera GT, like a matching orange Singer 911 to a blue 911 Dakar there as well. I'm basically just filming whatever I can that isn't like too crowded at this show, because yeah, it's kind of hard to get anything else. So I think the game plan for the rest of it, get some of the stuff leaving, get a ton of revving and mayhem here at this Exotics on Broadway show.
Let's go, Porsche! Woo! Rev it! Rev it! Rev it! Sherman in the air, baby!
carbon on this 765 LT. Purple brakes, man. It's like fully MSO'd, full carbon body.
Yeah, good.
That green Alcantara in that 765 LT Spider. Man.
Here we go. You're not sing along. Here we go.
So the crowds down at the other end are pretty insane. So made a little bit of a mission, made it to the exit, managed to catch the Chiron Pure Sports leading this orange SF90. And we've got a few Paganis coming up as well. Oh, that's Horatio himself. Didn't even notice that at first.
Let me hear. Just pop it on in here.
Be honest, I forgot about that MC12 GT1 until I heard it on the other side of the street and got what I could get, a few revs. But yeah, exotics on Broadway, complete and total side show. You can still hear the revving going on behind me. Total mayhem. Oh man, the EK just snapping there. All right, we got the GT350. Wants it, guys. Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh my god. This is a complete sideshow. This is the exact opposite of everything we've seen from Monterey Car Week so far. One last rev.
This is the only time we're watching.
Go post exotics on Broadway. There's the Senna GTR with the custom wheels, Carrera GT, for a nice little drive down 17 Mile. Also got the Huayra BC Macchina Volante. The classic purple this time. cars see. Oh, look at that, 812 Palm. Wow. Damn, looks like a tailor-made spec, potentially. Clean AF. Oh, it's right-hand drive, too. Yes, more JDM, let's go. Nice NA1 Acura NSX. That is clean, sick. Look at that guy, the squad. He's getting all the action shots. Let's go, man. Nice R8 with the carbon fiber hood. We got a whole squad of people up there, chips and dip, in the middle of the street spotting cars.
Sorry.
Look at the selfie stick vlogging. Oh, man. Everything's going on here, guys. Oh, guys, this is just freaking mayhem. Police just closed the road up there. Look at this. We got families sitting in the back of their trucks, cars spotting. We got this convoy rolling up again. It's just pandemonium here. Carmel's going crazy. We got another SV. It just gets crazier and crazier. There we get the frozen blue 16.4 Veyron traffic. Look at the pink Cuda back there too. Monterey's popping off as well. Yeah, a little crazy back in Carmel, so we switched it up. Guys, total mayhem. Look at that. We got a TVR Sagaris. I am holding food in one hand. I'm trying to vlog with the other hand. But we got an F50 being loaded up onto the trailer here in Monterey. Look at that. And there's Moto 350Z in front of it too. This is crazy, guys. It just doesn't stop. Little parking lot spotting here in Monterey too. The black F50. I think we saw this same one last year, but I mean, it's a black F50. How can you go wrong, guys? Can't get enough of that. Always good to see it again in the same parking garage too. Tucked away in the same garage here as the black F50. We got an Ariel Atom. This is a car I don't think we've really seen at Car Week before. It's got a huge wing on it. And then look at this, drawing a bit of a crowd. We've got a Jaguar D-Type here. I don't know if it's real or if it's a recreation, but I don't know. You can never really question these things at Car Week. If you're going to see a D-Type driving around and parked in a public parking garage, this is probably the only place it would happen. So if it is real, that's a lot of money right there. And then turn around here. Look at this. We've got the matte, like frozen blue Veyron 16.4 that we've seen a couple of times now. But yeah, I remember it's got the sort of like Porsche Speedline style HRE wheels on it. Front parked in the parking garage. Wow, there's a lot going on in this one in Monterey. Guys, it just doesn't stop here. Leave the LaFerrari lined up. I think, I'm trying to see, that's an R34 not beside it. Oh! Alright, yeah, it is an R34, and we got a LaFerrari here too. Oh! P1? There's too much going on here, guys. Nighttime in Car Week is crazy.